this System Change Lab is about bringing together a group of people to explore how do we integrate global responsibility into the heart of engineering degrees. It's a really interesting topic. There's loads of research on it, there's lots of advocacy on it, and there's a lot of people thinking about this. But there's a missing piece in terms of bringing together those that are trying to make change, to connect, to collaborate, to understand what's happening and be able to shift the dial across universities. So the Change Lab is an experiment. That's what it is at its heart. It's about bringing together people who understand and are motivated by this change to access greater support, to be able to collectively work together to shift the dial. And it's really important that what we've done with this Change Lab is bring together students and educators and accreditors and industry voice and the National Academy for Engineering in the UK and Engineers Without Borders, a leading charity in terms of pushing for global responsibility. You know, it's a special mix. It's a bit magical in terms of bringing these people together. And the Change Lab is really a structure in order to help unleash the potential of those individuals to work collaboratively. And I think shift the dial in a way that we've never innovated before.
This lab is so important. It's bringing together all these passionate people who also have power and have the ability to make change. So the thing I hope to impart today is like, we're students and we do really want this change, and actually if you can make change in your unit, in your module, to your tutees, like please do, because like there's a need and there's a want for students to learn this, so please like use your power and change it.
Everybody here today, there was a tremendous number of brains in the room. It was very daunting to be surrounded by so many people with such good ideas, and in the course of a day, bringing people like that together, you end up really coming away with a lot of inspiration, a lot of practical, pragmatic, realistic changes that can be achieved. And if we can keep doing that, change at scale is possible.
So the Reimagining degree map is a new toolkit to help engineering educators kind of navigate the change that's required and then actually make those changes to keep curriculum relevant, to produce and support and enable globally responsible engineers emerging from education into the workforce. So the map is really orientated around two parts: a space for educators and people in education to kind of come together and start exploring their context that they could be working in and really vision where they want to go from to where they want to be in terms of embedding and integrating global responsibility as a core thread of engineering education, but also to really actually make that happen and make tangible changes to enact change at university.
We can't wait. It's not another change in curriculum which can take 25 years. We need it now, we need it in next 3 to 5 years. So we need to think how to, in a way, enable that change in a shorter time scale. And that's what I'm looking for and I'm working for.
We've had a very exciting and fulfilling day today at the Royal Academy of Engineering in London, and that's been about creating a systems change lab for engineering education in the UK for engineering undergraduate degrees and postgraduate degrees. We don't think they're fit for purpose for the modern age. We know we have a climate crisis. We know we need skills desperately, lots of engineering skills to rectify the climate emergency that we all face, to meet the global challenges that engineers can meet. So we've started some work on understanding how we're going to change educating our best students in the world, and we hope you'll join us.